So I hope this was useful. Maybe we can.
You want to show them how to create a bot?
Okay, so yeah, so why not? So let's just again, when they say, oh, automation, you need to know C++ or .NET or something. I said, like, I myself don't know any languages. Okay, to be honest, I'm not a coder, right? So there is no need for any coding language or coding background. So all you need to do is basically a drag and drop, right? So we all know, right? So we've been doing online shopping, we just drag, put it in a cart, right? So drag and drop, simple as that. Okay, let's just fire up my client.
Okay, I'm giving you only 10 minutes.
Okay, so can someone?
I think
yeah,
about
just-
10 minutes, I don't think we lost interest.
Right, so I'm going to do a very simple one. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a web recorder. Okay, so we're going to tell the robot, I'm going to show something. He's going to record it, he's going to learn, and then he's going to do it again.
So
right?
sorry, just to add in one thing. The word recorder. So recorder essentially follows your mouse click. You don't actually even have to drag and drop, essentially.
Yes, exactly. So this is the second part, right? So when the recorder is basically, it's recording what you're doing as a human action, your mouse clicks, your navigation to the web page, it's very simple, and then it will do it itself, it will repeat itself the way that you did. So there's no drag and drop as well. Okay, I'm going to take a very simple example. So, not me, one of my friend, he wants to buy a car in Singapore, right? So he's keep checking on the COE prices on the 1st and the 15th of every month. So how do we automate that kind of thing? So I was just telling him that you can just run a bot to do it for you. Whenever there is an auction result, get it to you by email. And we have friends, we play badminton, right? And then you guys know badminton courts are really sought out in Singapore. After 1 hour, everything is booked. All the courts are booked. So now we're trying to use a bot to book a court for us. So I'm just gonna, so what you need to do is the web record. I'm gonna tell which website it has to go first. I'll just go to my browser. Okay, I'm just gonna look for COE. Right, so I'll just take one motor ring. Right, there you go. So this is the place. So the results get updated. You guys know, right? If you know what's here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the URL. Then I want to tell the bot to go and record from this URL. Okay, so I'm going to extract the data. So I'm going to extract all the COE are different categories, right? So how do I extract it? Very simple. There is an extract table. Then as I mouse over, can you guys see a small border that come across? So it automatically detects there is information there. There's already a table out there, right? So all we need to do is just click. Voila. So the table has been captured, right? So the table is there.
Where do you save it to?
So where do we save it to, right? We save it on our laptops. Okay, so I'm going to give it a name, COE. Stop recording. Then I want to say T-tab. Danny, I think that was less than a minute to create a bot. We don't need about 10 minutes, right? So we have created a bot. So what we've done is basically go to the website, extract that particular file, put it in a table. So we're going to run this bot now. Okay, so I want to close this browser. Okay, so we have the bot now, so we're going to run it. Click run. So as you can see now the bot is doing everything, right? So it's going out there. Oh, it's done. So now I have the Excel file. There you go. So it is extracted from the website. Okay, then if I want to send this as an email, I can do that in a couple of drag and drops. I just go again to my client. I want to edit that robot. Okay, so you can see this bot automatically created this code. So we never typed it, right? So we never typed any of these. So all I'm going to say is send email. Right, I'm going to send it from my own email. I'm going to send it to my own email again. Then I'm going to make it HTML. I want to attach a file called the COE. Saved it. I'm I'm going to run the bot, and I'm going to look. Sorry, the file is open, so I have to close that file. So I run the bot. So now you can actually at the bottom you can see what is the bot doing. The bot already extracted. Now it's sending me email, right? So let's just wait for the email to come in. There you go. So the email is in, and I have my attachment with all the COE. So literally takes less than a minute to
So-
extract data
So you mean
from
that
websites.
I set up this bot myself and I set an interval of maybe every 3 days,
Yes.
I'll receive an email.
Yes.
So I will not need to go and see my COE anymore.
No, not
Automatically
anymore.
will come to my email box.
Exactly. And you can even set it to 1 minute after the results are out, right? You can schedule them, right, to run automatically. You know the results gonna come at 12 midnight, 12:01, the bot runs, picks up the value, sends it to you. Now you think about your own use cases, the things that you go and check every day in the websites.
So,
right?
so guys, it's easy, right? It's simple, easy. The rest is up to your imaginations to build this bot.